Hi, my name is Nwobodo Favour Somtochukwu. I am a student of this great university, University of Nigeria, Nsukka campus precisely. I am a student of History and International Relations in the Faculty of Arts. I love my course. I love studying this course because it's a window towards the outside world. It's a window through which I get to meet the world beyond my country and the four walls of this school and my state. I get to know the traditions and the cultures of other countries, and it gives me this joy to learn and study about countries. This course has opened my eyes to several things that I never knew of, the Eurocentric, the Afrocentric views of several things that has happened in the history of the world, the world wars. And I would advise any student that really has this passion of studying history in school or international relations to go for it, because it's a stepping stone and a way of forming a connection between the students of different schools and people of the same different worlds. Because through studying this, we know how to correlate with other races, other nations, and I think it will go a long way in bringing peace and harmony between the people of the world. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me, and I hope to see you in the department being proud of your course, proud history, proud Faculty of Arts, proud UNN.